Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
I am joined by Connor and Christoph today. You know, getting up this early,
we love it.
We're crazy. Happy first day of meteorological spring. I started my chase August 6th. That was on the lake shore with 2 hash browns, and it carried me through most of the day. Yeah, it's literally March 1st, and we still have Christmas lights out. Yeah, that's insane.
That's insane.
That's huge, dude. Shut up, Subaru. Where are the waves? I would not go out on that ice right now, by the way.
Yeah, no, 100%.
Yeah, it's been melting for the past several days. Fantastic. Yup, it's frozen over still. This is not what I expected it to be.
No.
So we're probably gonna go to St. Joseph Pier. It's about 12 minutes south.
Okay.
That one has a fenced-in pier we can go out on.
All right.
So there should be easier to see. Yeah, I don't want to do another UE on this bridge like last time.
Not that we would ever do that.
No, not at all. What are you talking about? My car loves this road. Oh my gosh. This is like that road in May 7th.
This is Calhoun County for
Oh
you.
my gosh. This is miserable. Going back there. Woo! Yeah. I bet you Warren Dunes has waves. Big time.
Oh,
How do you feel, Christoph?
so cold.
Do a barrel roll. Yeah, it's like shifting back and forth like crazy. Yep, we got lake effect. That's for sure. Woo! Oh. Could you hold
How much longer my feet can take this?
I'm in Crocs, dude. Man, that was strong. Really? Let's do it.
Right here is really nice.
Oh, the wind is gone. Oh, it's so awesome.
Awesome. Yeah.
This is a way better. Wow, I could just chill here for a minute. Look at those joggers. It's like a 5K. Those watching, this is actually not a very safe activity. Just keep that in mind.
Huh?
Check out the movement of the ice here.
I know.
Wow. I'm gonna slide around you.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, I want to get some shots of this. Here we are at the St. Joseph Lighthouse. You can see the waves again. Forecast to be about 10 to 15 feet right now. Ugh. I can't feel my fingers. Yes, Carter. Dude, I love the motion of the ice right here. It's just flowing. Dude, this area is rapidly breaking down. Do you notice how the ice is breaking down? Yeah. Blue skies above us, despite the fact it's snowing. Blue sky. Oh! Wow! Hey, I think it's breaking down. At least the ice helps to settle the waves a little, you know, as they approach.
Look at that. That is cool. It's gonna be another.
Fearless Wolf says, how wow, did we go to the North Pole when I went into the kitchen? Yes.
You can really see how big some of
These chunks are, right?
Yeah.
It's so cool. Dang, that's amazing. Those are some high waves out there. See it. Good throw. There's the other side of the pier there. Got the sun starting to peek out back here. Christoph and Morgan are back there.
There's a good one out there. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, the trick to this. Look at that wave, dude.
I step out here, my toes just start to freeze.
I'm trying to warm my hands up here. Got a nice batch of snow falling back there.
Yeah.
Sun illuminating it. Sun's gonna peek out right here too.
Yeah.
Gorgeous out here. I love it. Yup. Here comes a big wave. Oh, look out. Oh. I'm gonna be careful. These are get bigger fast. Look at that. That's crazy, dude. Oh my word. That's moving. Look at that ice jam. Holy smokes. I know, it came really close to up on the pier. These are getting higher. Probably want to move off here soon. Here they come. Gorgeous. There's a lot less ice back there than there was before. It's all flowing this way fast. Woo-hoo! This one's cooking. This is awesome. You're surviving? Thriving?
Barely. Got the Macarena and the YMCA. Do the Cotton Eye Joe. Ben, I gotta go back. My toes
Okay.
are killing me.
All right. I think we might want to go to the beach down that way.
Okay,
See if
I'm
there's an
done.
ice jam.
This
This was fun.
is great. This is beautiful.
This is awesome. Dude, look at this.
What?
Give me just a second. I love this. Woo! Hardcore, hardcore. That is not a very good circumstance. There's your ice flow. It's flowing right here. It's not jamming up anywhere, but it's flowing. This is very cracked. Well, Christoph, what do you think? Is it worth it?
Yes.
Yes. Connor?
Sure.
Think it's worth it? Yeah. Bye-bye, winter. Hello, spring. Bring it on.